Hello again. Today we're going to be fixing up this 4th generation iPod Classic that I got on eBay with a dead hard drive and battery. Now upon receiving it I did test it, and those are indeed the case. It had a dead hard drive and the battery would not hold a charge. So to fix the problem, you need a totally 100% trustworthy, not sketchily made battery, some various flash modding components, and a case. I mean, I technically don't need the case, but if I'm going to get everything else, I may as well replace it. Let's get started. And I just want to preface this by saying that this is not intended as an instructional video. There are plenty of other videos out there from DangPods that can show you how to do this as well. This is just my experience of fixing one of these things. So, don't follow what I say. In fact, I've even got the repair guide open because I have no trust in myself. Now, I've already opened this thing up to save some time, so hopefully this won't take too long. Start with removing the battery. Or maybe not, these screwdrivers are no good for that. Into the trash they'll go later. Here's the old battery out now. Here is the new one, although I'll be replacing the back panel first. Something I realize is that the new case doesn't include the little plastic thing here around the dock connectors, so I'll need to take care of that myself. Here's our brand new case, straight from China. We'll see how well this thing holds up. If not, I might replace it with the original, but again, we'll see. Alright, this is a bit too difficult. Let me move the camera out of the way and then complete this off camera. Or actually, maybe I won't, because while I was trying to finagle the screw into it, I fucked up and managed to break this piece. So forget about that. Let's just move on to the other stuff. Okay, that was a lot more trouble than it needed to be, just to get this bracket in. And it better work, because the back is all splotchy with my fingerprints now. Whatever, let's just keep going. Wow, that's a tight fit battery for sure, just barely fit in there. Alright, that was a bit also more trouble than it needed to be. But now for the main event. The flash modding. Just take the forbidden red SD to CF card. Just put it in here. Nice and tight. And then stick it in there. And by the way, I did bend this jumper over so it wouldn't damage the display. Just don't forget to do that if you modify yours this way as well. Now if I just connect, this, it should work and we should be in business. There we go. Just put back the headphone assembly and I think we're good to go for trying to restore. let's try it. Alright, so to restore the iPod, I'm going to be using this lovely iMac G4 here, and I do apologize for having to film the screen, but the screen capture software did not like me, and the video was unusable. So we're just going to take the iPod and plug it in. Carefully. Uh-oh. Okay, did I break it? I hope not. Alright, never mind, I'm an idiot. The hold switch was just on. Let's see if it'll... Oh, there we go. We're getting something. Come on, say connect to iTunes. You can do it. Alright, what's the hold up? Okay, finally, I got it into disk mode. So, let's see if we can get it to work now. And yes, that's a good sign. iTunes has detected the iPod is corrupted and needs restoring. Well, we can fix that. Have activity on the board, or at least we did for a second. Oh, there we go. Come on now. Oh, it's scrolling. Not sure how well you can see it. Do not disconnect. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that'll work. And let's automatically sync as well, just so we can test it out. Alright, I'll leave this to sync. Alright, now I can't play too much of this music because it will probably get content matched, but just listen for a second. And the last step is to give this thing a clean because it's covered in fingerprints. Wow, look at that. So shiny, except it's already scratched, but I kind of expected that, so who cares? Except that doesn't seem to be coming off. Yeah, I think I'll stop there. Here's the iPod still working as good as it ever did when I restored it, but with one big difference. I put the old case back on. You might be asking, why would I do such a thing? Well, it was partially due to those aforementioned fingerprints, and also the fact that the case didn't want to close shut, even though I didn't show it in the video. So I just put the old case back on. I actually kind of like the distressed aesthetic. Really represents a part of the iPod's history, doesn't it? Well, sorry about that. If you like this video, subscribe, I guess. Leave a comment and... No, I'll just stop before I embarrass myself here.